Hello everyone, I will show you the shipping fee manage feature on BigSeller in this video. You can check this feature here. It supports Shopee and Lazada marketplaces now. With this feature, BigSeller will auto-calculate the shipping fee discrepancy between marketplace charge and customer paid. You will no longer need to calculate the shipping fee manually. Also, you can know the overcharged shipping fee quickly. For Shopee, it shows all the completed orders. Here you can filter orders by styles, shipping method, shipping fee status. There are three status: negative, normal, and positive. Also, you can filter orders by ship time. You can select today, yesterday, 3 days, 7 days, 30 days, or you can select the custom dates. Next, you can check the shipping fee details. Here you can see the item details, order value and payment, order and shipped time, shipping settings and tracking number, shipping fee status, shipping fee paid by buyer, final shipping fee. Final shipping fee means the shipping fee paid by seller and shipping fee rebate, and the shipping subtotal. With this data, you can know the discrepancy between marketplaces charged and customer paid shipping fee. For example, this feature, the shipping fee status is negative. In this way, you can know if it is overcharged shipping fee or you can edit the shipping fee in your product. For Lazada, it shows delivered, returned, and refunded orders. You can also filter orders here. Here you can also see the order and the shipping fee details. Here you can also see the shipping fee status, shipping fee paid by buyer, shipping fee paid by seller, shipping fee ventured by Lazada, and the shipping subtotal. With this data, you can also know the discrepancy between the marketplace charge and customer paid shipping fee. Okay, it is all about the shipping fee managed on BigSeller. Please contact us if you have any other questions.